So if you want to clean a filter of your LG washing machine, this is the exact model number. Let me focus. But it's basically going to be the same even if you have something else. As you can see here in the bottom, there's a compartment that you need to open. Then you need to prepare some container where you will put on in the water. So there's not going to be many of it, but a bit. I will try to open it with one hand. Nope, I will put the phone down a bit. So the plastic goes out. This remains like this. And put it in the... Yeah, just spray down all the water. There you go. And when there is no more water coming out, feel free to put the plastic cover in again. I'll put my phone down. There we go. It looks like this. And then you can open the filter part itself. So just turn counter clockwise. Don't worry, if you removed all the water, then nothing will be coming out from here. And then just pull out. And this is how it looks like. So my washing machine is pretty new, so there's not much in here. But if yours was working for a longer period of time, then there may be some things that you want to get out. And when that is done, again, put it back, tight it clockwise position, put this in the place like this, and feel free to close it.